Is there a shortcut for bullet points in Microsoft Word? So this video shows, is there a shortcut for bullet points in Microsoft Word? So open the Microsoft Word, and in this Microsoft Word you must press Ctrl plus Shift plus L. I will show you. This is the Control key, this is the Shift key, and you can see this is the L key. So you must press this Control key, Shift key, and this L key. So you must press the three keys together, the Shift, Control, Shift and L. And now you can see that there is a bullet point appeared here. So in order to get a bullet point in Microsoft Word, you must press Ctrl plus Shift plus L.